This is lesson 3 of the Mr. Circuit STEM coloring activity book. We're going to learn about photocells. A photocell is used as a variable resistor in many types of circuits. It can be used as a sensor in circuits to control lighting. When light hits the surface of a photocell, its resistance is reduced. It can be used in a circuit to automatically lower the high beam lights on a car when there is oncoming traffic. On page 3, you see that Mr. Circuit Robot is holding something electronic in its hand. You see the sun sending rays to a circuit. This circuit probably has a photocell in it. This circuit is also connected to a light bulb. What does a photocell do in an electronic circuit? At the bottom of page 3, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, a photocell can be used in a circuit to vary resistance with light. At the middle of the bottom of the page, you will see the schematic symbol that is used by engineers and technicians to represent a photocell. How would you describe the symbol? Like a resistor symbol with a circle around it, with 2 arrows pointing to the center. What do you think that the 2 arrows represent? They represent light rays hitting the photocell. Please copy this photocell symbol into the box on the lower right-hand corner of the page. Here are some important things that you have been taught in this lesson. 1. What a photocell does in a circuit. 2. What the schematic symbol is for a photocell. And 3. How to spell and pronounce the word photocell. If you continue studying electronics, you will actually build circuits with photocells. Now, please color in the Mr. Circuit Robot on page 3. Remember, when you complete all 30 lessons, you will receive a certificate of completion.